If you're looking for tips and tricks on subscribing with PubSub, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Chloe, and in this video, I'll be sharing 6 best practices when subscribing with PubSub. Let's dive in. Number 1, attach your subscription. Before we talk about subscribing to PubSub, it's important to remember you'll need to have a subscription first. A subscription is attached to a topic, and you can attach one or many subscriptions to an individual topic. Make sure you have a subscription attached or have topic retention enabled before you start publishing messages to ensure no messages are lost. Number 2, choose the right subscription. When you create a subscription, specifying the type of message delivery is key. PubSub currently offers 3 types of message delivery that correspond to the following 3 types of subscriptions: pull subscriptions, push subscriptions, and big query subscriptions. Make sure that you take time to choose the right type of message delivery for your subscription. Want more details on what type of message delivery is right for you? Learn more about each type in our documentation linked below. Number 3, process before acknowledgement. Messages should be processed before they are acknowledged. Cloud PubSub will not redeliver a message if it's been acknowledged. Make sure you process your message first before acknowledging it. Number 4, acknowledge messages. Be sure to acknowledge messages. If a message is redelivered, then all the message received after that message for the same ordering key will also be redelivered, whether or not they were already acknowledged. For example, if a subscriber receives messages 1, 2, and 3 of the same ordering key, and message 2 is redelivered, then message 3 is guaranteed to be redelivered as well. Number 5, use streaming pull. For maximum throughput and lowest latency, you may want to consider the streaming pull model over the push model or the unary pull model. The streaming pull service API relies on a persistent bidirectional connection to receive multiple messages as they become available. Unlike the unary pull method, this maintains a constant connection to the server and receives messages continuously. Streaming pull is fully supported by PubSub client libraries for ease of use. You can learn more about streaming pull and flow control in our documentation linked below. And number 6, use flow control. When using streaming pull via our official client libraries, we recommend enabling flow control settings by configuring a max for outstanding messages on a subscriber client to avoid overwhelming any under-provisioned subscriber with too many messages to process. This also prevents you from starving subscribers, which have the capacity to process messages. There you have it, 6 best practices for subscribing with PubSub. Thanks for joining, and keep an eye out for more best practice videos, and take a look at our PubSub documentation for even more tips and tricks on subscribing with PubSub.